Morning guys, in front of me is OnePlus Nord 6 and let me show you how to activate Emoji Suggestions. So first of all, enroll new message. Obviously you can also open notes, browser, whatever, just a place that you've got access to your keypad. So this is the panel that we want to open. Now mark settings, go to Emoji Stickers and GIFs, and here under suggestion strip you will find show emoji. So make sure that this indicator is active, and now once you are typing you'll be able to see the emoji suggestions. So if you want to use them, just pick the one that you want to apply. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.